G'day guys, thanks for checking out our 2019 build 20 compliant Kia Cerato S with a safety pack. So what that means is you got protector headlights for this car, daytime running lights, you've got fog lights as well, premium hubcaps with brand new or near new tyres, colour coded mirrors, colour coded door handles, finished in stunning white. Sold new by us and has been serviced by us as well. You got the cloth trim, the premium mats fitted as well. This car does have the Apple CarPlay, and one of the safety pack features are you do get blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. The car is in great condition. Just with the current changes, the company who owned the vehicle hasn't used the car and decided to change and disperse of the vehicle. So the car is like new inside and out. So much so we haven't even needed to detail this vehicle. You've got your lane keep assist, your blind spot monitoring, your adaptive cruise control. Only travelled 13,329 kilometres. Got your Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, so you can have satellite navigation used through your mobile phone. Reverse camera as well. You've got your aircon, USB plugs down there, and of course the auto transmission, and balance of that 7-year unlimited K warranty.